Hello. I wanted to take a moment to explain the differences between college math and college algebra. First of all, the most important thing to remember or know is that all majors require math, but there are a few that only allow college algebra. So if you're going to be in an education major, a business major, or you're doing the Associates of Science of Medical Science, health science, then all those majors require college algebra. So regardless of your choice, you've got to do college algebra. If you're not in one of those areas, then you have the choice of college math or college algebra. So college math is the one that most people pick. The reason for that is it's a much more practical math. It has geometry. There's even some financial stuff in there like interest. You have just a lot of concrete, practical, applicable math involved. So it studies logic, set notation, number systems, linear equations, graphing the lines and stuff like that, finding the slope and the y-intercept of things. Quadratic equations are in there. With the graphing inequalities, this is greater than or equal to that. 2 is greater than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 4 or negative 4. So pretty much a large majority of college math in some way can be seen visually, not just with the equation that's being done, but it can be represented on a graph. It can be drawn out as a shape, or in some way you can visually see how numbers are relating to each other. College algebra is just a little more complicated many times for a lot of students. It's just different in the way that the type of thinking that it requires. It is more abstract, more in your head. There's not many visual things that you can look at on paper to understand why. You kind of understand as you're thinking through in your mind about it. It's going to have equations on the page, but you're not going to have as many physical representations, physical products or results that you'll be able to look at and understand based on what you see. So I think it's for that matter that a lot of students pick college math, because it's just more logical, visual, more concrete. Hope that helped, and good luck with your studies.